How to fix Valorant error code WAN 293. First step, open up Riot client, click profile icon, click settings. This page will appear. Click Valorant, click it, scroll down, click repair and start repair. Wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK. Then move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Right click. Click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. The next step, run Riot client as administrator. Right click Riot client, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator. Click apply and OK. Next step, open up this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Once scanning complete after, close it. Then search for run and type the following text ncpa.cpl. Click OK. A network page will appear. In this, right click, disable it. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Again right click and enable it. Once enabling after, you need to one more time right click, click properties, click configure, click advanced, click preferred band. Select the preferred band. Click OK. Close it and move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down. Search for Riot client and Valorant. It should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click allow another app. Click browse. Go to C drive. Riot client. You get the application. Click it and add it. Once adding after, enable in both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Next step, click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and reset your network. Thank you.